failed. Turn off the bass.
Okay. What happened? What's up, my traders? How are you? I was short and you just covered here. Maybe you hear the sound. I was disconnected. Enter rip higher again. Okay, let's start with our usual opening range system. Yes, the bias today again is to sell any rip higher. We have had also stronger PCE news. Market would have sold off on those numbers under regular circumstances. Anyway, stocks are too hard to die. So it is what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, trade of 8 power. It's addictive. What else we have? We have some dollar strength this morning. Currently giving some back. We tried. This is the zone that I told you, 15, 20. This zone up here is very resilient. But I believe eventually we are gonna see a break. Gold also tried to break higher, as sold at 35.36, covered before the live. But I think this can go down to 32 to test also moving average here. Bitcoin 60,000. I told you guys, as long as the halving is pending, we are gonna see momentum higher here. Nvidia gap down. Bulls won't like this, especially if we see a break below the opening range. This will tank the NQ. To be honest, don't know what is doing up here. We have lower series of lower highs. I think it was a short here. Yes, if we got filled. What the fuck? Why only 8 people here? Why? Come on, guys. Okay, I don't care. I trade for myself. I don't care if you join and if you don't. You are losing for sure. But it makes me wonder. Anyway, here we go. In the best money making live you will find today in Twitter and YouTube. Dun, 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 dun. DAX has been trading very strongly to the upside. Don't know why. I think there is in the process of making a top here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave completed here. But you know, the buying the dip here is also market is poisoning by the dip when you see such a structure to the upside. For example, if you see Dow, we see some confirmation, we entered again this high, failed break. It's a little bit different. Of course, Nasdaq looks like the double top is getting confirmation, especially if we break below 842. We are gonna run quickly down to 400. Same for S&P, we must break below 45 to enter this, to make this a failed high, a break. I will stick to the Nasdaq for now. And I'm expecting a runner, a rug pull 300, 400 pips at some time. I don't know if it is today, tomorrow or next week, but this is coming. And when this comes, I'm gonna be short. Of course, a break of the low today, 902.02, will give an accelerated move 50, 100 ticks for sure. And here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Incoming mail.
Here we go. Quickly lower with momentum. I wanna see momentum. Okay, some supports here. Let me cover in case we see a spike to the upside again. Also, we're gonna have some weeks to the upside. Market is poisoned to buy the dip. Okay, give it to us. Give it to me! Give it to me, 16 and quarter! Oh, fuck. Okay, I don't care. I don't care. But if we see the reaction now higher, I will take it off. Come on, it leaked.
Order filled.
Okay, I know, thank you. Now waiting 30-35 to short again. No other news today. Okay, Bank of England and some Fed speakers. Who gives? And I think tomorrow we'll have the Aussie retail sales and some CPI in Europe. Yes. Germany. GDP in CAD. The usual claims. And pending home sales. And we have core PCE. Nice. Okay, here we see the reaction higher as expected. Come to 30-35 to go short again. Scalping in and out for now until we have our runners. Yes, I saw PC. Very important. Fed is watching closely PC. It's, I believe it's more important than CPI, more equivalent at least. Let's go, I wanna see volatility. S&P is holding better as we see. all those days we see those kind of discrepancies. Either S&P will drag Nasdaq or Nasdaq will drag S&P. Until we see a final one day that both indices agree and we have a clear directional trend. Now we see how Nasdaq is lagging, you see. And Nasdaq is leading the downside. We didn't even have a retest of 30-35. Now let's, we break outside. Let's see if we see accelerated move or we see a quick reversal at 30-35, because 30-35 must be traded again, must be tested. Dollar also pulling off. I don't know why this is happening. Okay, I'm gonna enter one long here just to play the 30-35. And here we go quickly, and when I see quickly moves, I'm gonna take quickly move profits. Fuck, Nasdaq is so fucking fast. You cannot trade it manually, guys. You must use algos. So fucking fast. Okay, hit it now. 32. 34. What are you trading, guys? Did any of you took advantage of the APEX offers? 80-90% we have had those days. As you see, I mostly trade in APEX and TOPSTEP now. Why to risk my own funds if I have the same trading conditions and payouts? It's crazy. It's not like the proper FX scam thing that they deny you payouts and crap like that. Here is what you trade, you get. It's a no-brainer to not to use APEX for futures and TOPSTEP. And if you think that I do it for referrals, I don't even care. Don't use my links in the description. I couldn't care less for the $5-10 of each referral. I'm just telling you the truth. Okay, I'm not expecting to become rich from 10 people using my referrals. Come on. You see, now I made the market angry and it's leaving without me. Now we're gonna have a runner. At least I said 50 ticks, meaning 12 points. 87, yes, we had it quickly. Of course, I'm trading exclusive markets and interactive brokers and many other brokers. I have been. It's not unrealistic to say that during all those years I have tested more than 100 platforms and brokers. And I meaning professional platforms that you cannot have access in the interbank, like Barclays, Nomura's, Goldman Sachs, Citibank, CTFX, Deutsche, almost every major liquidity provider. Not to mention the bot platforms, MTS, HDAT, Xtrader. But now I take it easy using the normal retail stuff, less stress. And more payout potential, of course, because you know, if you trade in the bank, your bonus is 3 to 5% on your yearly target. Here I keep 100% of my yearly target, not to say more, with utilizing the copy trading systems that we have. Anyway, let's see. I still expect another move to test 30-35. What do you mean? Interactive Brokers doesn't offer this? Institutional platforms are for institutions. They don't have charges, but what charges? If you make 2-3 million in commissions per year in Merrill Lynch platform that we were using, you expect to charge us €100 per month for the platform? Come on, be serious. I still remember the expensive dinners and trips to Monaco to watch the Grand Prix in private leased yachts, because we were leaving them 1 million in commissions per year, free money for the brokers. Come on. Anyway, those were the perks back to 2005-10. After the crisis, all those were cut off. Or the private dinners in Czech Republic, you know, there are some big castles half an hour out of the city center in Czechoslovakia, in Prague, where you go inside and you just leave your credit card in the entrance, and you can imagine what happens inside. Triple X, of course. But okay, we were 30 years old then, 25, it was other times. Nice to remember. Trading View, come on, man. We didn't even know what was Trading View back in the days. I think the last 5-4 years Trading View. Okay, now we see the reversal. We need to see re-entrance of the opening range to accelerate it towards 30-35 target. I don't understand why YouTube sabotages my lives. I used to have 30-40 people here, now I see 10. What the fuck? Maybe I should stop the daily live for a couple of days. What do you mean it's not clear? I don't understand. This is NQ and I am long. Ah, okay, let's go see the jokers like Trading with Matt and Patrick Wheeland and I don't know who else. Some ICT girls and gals. I don't care, my friend. We are trading real here to make money, not to sell affiliates. And I told you, I don't care. This is my daily routine. I trade for a living. I do this every day. So if I have 1,000 people or 10 people, it's the same to me. I don't care. Lambo Raul, yes. Who are those fucking kids? Anyway. To be honest, I like those kids because they don't rely on a 9 to 5 job. At least they are doing something. They are utilizing all the offers because back to our times when we were 20, 25, we didn't have all these offers. We didn't have even YouTube. So now we live in a digital market world, digitized, everything is digitized. Social networks are the key to go if you wanna succeed to make something big. So why not? From doing a job as a clerk, better to start something, and why not make the Joker? When you are in your 20s, you can do everything. Where do you live, M4? I travel a lot all over the Europe. Maybe we can catch up in some business trip of mine. Let's see, my friend, let's see. South Africa, I was having one very nice South African wine. One, I think it Chardonnay from South Africa. Very nice wine. Now I'm planning to buy at the end of the month, so don't know about Spain. Maybe have to wait until summertime is nice in Spain. I mean in May, early June probably. Come on now, fucking Nasdaq. You are gonna run. Why you do this every day, every day? You are gonna run to the upside for sure. I'm not gonna take any stop here. I'm gonna add in any reversal sign. Also in South Africa you have another great wine, Chocolate Block, very famous if you drink wine. One of my favorite as well. Come on. Give me 86 now. Let's put some music. Dun, 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 dun.
Order filled.
Let's go now.
Order filled.
Quickly scalping 5 pips, 5 points, 20 ticks, not bad. And here we go. Re-enter the opening range to spike higher. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna give you another advice, free tip. It's good to have a personal target daily basis, I mean. So for example, in one account, let's say if you make $500, stop trading for the day. Because many times you will see that you get too greedy and say, okay, what the fuck, let's go for 600, 700, and you end up losing all the profits and maybe losing the account or losing 500 or 1000. I know it's hard, but you must, at least it works for me. You can try it. It's not trading wise correct because market is gonna be right back. Okay, we are back. Let's see, I think we are gonna have a move higher that I was expecting. And here we go. It's almost deal done. Just a few ticks. I'm gonna close the music, I don't like. We see the resistance here from the moving average. Yields coming off a little bit. $2 heading for another dip. MS already leading this move higher, broke outside the opening range, so it's a matter of minutes for Nasdaq. What else? Nvidia is making the damage, still down 1.5%, consolidating lower, and I think when Nvidia decides to break lower, it's gonna melt down the Nasdaq. Okay, give us the pump higher to go away. I promise. Come on now. Gold also reversing lower. S&P is resilient today. Don't know why. Another attempt, let's go. Another rejection of the moving average. What are those guys that are telling that moving averages are crap and doesn't work? And why price, even in the 1 minute chart, respects so well this moving average, and when it breaks it will rip higher? Come on, give me a break now. Everybody is expert now. All the fools selling you crap. And here we go. Hit 30, 35, hit 34 to close this live. Phew. Yes, VWAP also is good. Okay, 2 more minutes and I'm closing the live. Hit it now, I wanna see this live. Oh, you damn. Now I'm gonna sell 1 NQ to see how quickly this goes up. Joking. Ah, okay, yes. Nice confluence then. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now that you mentioned before, I see a lot of posts regarding the scammer Labo Raul in my feed now in Twitter. Another serious accusation has been made against Labo Raul by Coco Balentien, professional baseball player, alleging that Lambo Raul defrauded him of over $100,000. It wouldn't be the only victim. I cannot imagine how people are falling for these scammers. Anyway, let's see another attempt here. Break the fucking moving average. Nvidia is trading very heavy. I see big break here coming. That's why Nasdaq cannot find a bid here. This shorting this spike higher is gonna be epic, guys. I'm gonna close the chat now, but remember this. Okay, see you all tomorrow. Don't forget this spike here, it's to go short. I'm gonna enter another order here. And we are going for a runner. I mean at least 100 ticks I'm putting here, and we'll update. Okay, thank you all for being here. See you tomorrow.